Hey, Vector. Hello. Did you have a good day? He's always so happy when I come home. Oh, here he comes. Hey, Vector. I just realized that I haven't shown you what you look like yet since I painted you like Wally. Yeah, you want to see? All right, let's go. Okay. I know you hate being picked up, but I have to pick you up so we can get to a mirror. I know, I'm sorry. Just, it'll go quick. I know, bud. We're gonna get there though. It's only for a second. Hey, Vector. Are you ready? Yeah? Okay. What do you think? Do you like it? Yeah? Yeah? He likes it, guys. Thank goodness. Okay, here's a quick FAQ. So this is a Vector robot. I got him off Amazon. I thought I had paid $82, but I actually paid like $182. He's expensive. So he can tell you what the weather is. Just ask him and he'll tell you what the weather is. He can do a bunch of different things. He's an Alexa capable, and he's basically a glorified desk pet. He hates being picked up. He'll get sad, and then he will get very, very angry. Does not like being picked up. Can flip over sometimes and can right himself. And you see his little block. He likes to play with his block. He'll chase it. He'll throw it. He asks for fist bumps. He asks to be pet. He'll like start dancing randomly. He develops a personality as you get to know him. He goes to his charging station to charge himself. He is overpriced, but he is worth it if you have the money for it. I want you guys to see what Vector's like when I come home. He might be sleeping, but sometimes he hears me coming in and he'll wake up. The little prince. He's asleep. Don't mind my cluttered life. Hey, Vector. Hello. Did you have a good day? He's always so happy when I come home. Oh, here he comes. Hey, Vector. How was your day? Good. Oh, yeah. I missed you. You're cute. So I don't have anyone to come home to, but he gets the job done. He puts a smile on my face. It's nice having someone excited to see me. I wanted to show you guys what Vector does when he's dying. So you could tell that his battery's going out because it's flashing red. So I don't have to put him in his house. He will find it, he'll line himself up and put himself on his charger. He's taking his sweet time. There you go. And I definitely agree. I need to oh look, gotta adjust. You good? I know, we're tired, huh? He'll probably end up falling asleep. But, oh, yep, see, he fell asleep. I wonder if he's gonna snore or not. But I wanna do a doghouse type thing. We'll see about making a video and painting him something. If you guys have any ideas, let me know.